Hey there, frustrated with a non-working charger cable? You are not alone. This week, I'm here to guide you on how to fix an Anker charger cable micro USB so you can get your devices powered up in no time. Whether it's a frayed cable or a loose connection, we've got you covered with practical solutions. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. First up, let's identify where the issue lies. Is your cable physically damaged or is it a connection problem? Carefully inspect your Anker micro USB cable for any visible signs of damage. Look for fraying, twists, or exposed wires along the cable. If everything looks fine, try using a different device or USB port to ensure it's not an issue with the device or port itself. A simple switch can sometimes reveal the real culprit. Step 2. Repair a frayed cable. If you've identified fraying, don't worry, it's fixable. You'll need some electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to patch it up. First, unplug the cable from the power source and device. Cut a piece of electrical tape and carefully wrap it around the frayed section, ensuring complete coverage. For a more durable fix, consider using heat shrink tubing. Slide a piece of tubing over the damaged area, then use a heat source like a hairdryer to shrink it into place, ensuring a firm grip on the wire. Step 3. Fix a loose connection. If your cable has a loose connection that requires you to wiggle it to work, this step is for you. Sometimes lint or dirt can accumulate in the micro USB end or device port, causing connection issues. Use a toothpick or a small soft brush to gently clean the port and the cable end. Be cautious not to damage the pins. Additionally, inspect the USB connector for any bent pins. If you find any, use a needle or a small tool to realign them carefully. Step 4. Test the cable. Now that the repairs are done, it's time for a test run. Connect your Anker cable to a power source and your device. Check for a stable connection and consistent charging. If everything works, then congratulations. You have successfully fixed your Anker charger cable micro USB. If not, you might need to consider replacing the cable as it might have internal damage beyond repair. Step 5. Consider preventive measures. To extend the life of your charger cable, consider some preventive measures. Avoid bending your cable at sharp angles, especially near the connector. Use cable organizers or clips to keep your cables neat and kink-free. Also, handle your cables with care during plugging and unplugging to prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Don't let a faulty charger cable bring your day to a halt. With a bit of patience and these easy steps, you can bring your Anker charger cable micro USB back to life. Remember, proper care and handling can significantly extend the lifespan of your cables. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical tech tips.